Hey Dash Fellows, here is our student Shubham Sharma. He got job in an MNC company. Basically, he's from weekend batch and he's also used to work in the weekdays. As a gym, he's a gym freak, fitness freak. He should do work there in weekdays and the weekends. He used to come for doing software testing training course here. So he managed both in his life. Today he got job. Let him share his experience towards you people. Go to Shubham. Tilappa.
Hey everyone, my name is Shubham. I'm from Jamshedpur, Jharkhand. In QSpiders, when I joined, I was having lack of knowledge in manual testing, core Java, Selenium, SQL, everything. The way QSpiders guided me, everything was just got stuck in my mind, and I was means able to understand everything easily. I would like to thank SKR sir, Sagar sir, Niranjan sir, Govind sir as well, and Vishwanath sir for guiding me everything. A huge thanks to all the HRs, counselors, and the trackers for guiding me everything. That's all. Will remember every day spent here throughout my life. Thank you.
Congratulations.